How to simply clone voice in 11 Labs. Of course, use up any preferred web browser that you can use and then just head directly to 11labs.io. And then from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, on the left portion of your screen, there will be drop downs options that you can choose. Now, for you to be able to clone your voice, just head to the Voices tab right here. Let's head to the Voices tab right here. And from here, there is going to be a bunch of options that you can use, but for this topic, you would like to create or clone your voice on 11 Labs. And from here, there will be an option here that says Add a New Voice. Just simply click on Add a New Voice, and then, of course, this is not gonna be for free. You should at least subscribe to one of the subscription and 11 labs for you to take advantage on this specific feature, which is cloning your voice. Now, once you have subscribed either a starter or a creator pack on 11 labs, you should be able to check or to click or to use option that is saying instant voice clone. Now, if you click this option right here, this is going to be requiring you to record a voice at least a minute or two of your own sentences. Now, you can also use ChatGPT and then just simply type in random sentences, and then ChatGPT will be the ones to provide you random messages for you to be able to record it from 11 Labs. Now, after recording your voice, you should be able to use it like your regular feature that you are using on 11 Labs. So that's it. That's how you use, or that's how you simply clone your voice in 11 Labs.